Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to turn on or turn off SIM card on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down. You will see first option is connection. Click on connection. After click on connection, click on SIM manager. After click on SIM manager, you will see SIM is here. If you want to turn off SIM card, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see SIM card is turned off. If you want to turn on SIM card, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see SIM card is turned on. You will turn on or turn off SIM card from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off SIM card on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.